we are situated at an altitude of 2,200 meters, as I said, in the middle Himalayan ranges in India. And our area, the conditions of living, the place where I'm working in, the conditions of living are quite difficult. Agriculture is the main source of livelihood. Most of the farmers are small and marginal farmers. They have very small land holdings. 13 to 14%, not more than that, just 13 to 14% of the land actually is irrigated, and the rest is all rain-fed. That is, it depends on rainfall. And agriculture is entirely natural resource based. That is, it's entirely dependent on, of course, the land, forest, water, livestock, and women actually are the center stage, in the sense that women have been contributing majorly to the agricultural economy. They have been carrying out 90 to 95% of all the activities relating to agriculture, and that includes relating to water, relating to livestock, relating to forest. So they have a huge workload. And the work that we are doing actually is of course women's empowerment, but it's using the strategy in the sense using the through the strategy, or through strengthening and promoting people's knowledge systems, local resources as well as local knowledge system. And women happen to be the major holders and practitioners of this knowledge system. So we are trying very actively actually to encourage women, to participate, to create also spaces both in informal decision-making forums as well as formal decision-making forums for women to participate actively and use that knowledge, immense body of knowledge that they have, in coming up with the strategies based on the local resources and their knowledge systems to address issues of agriculture, that is bringing more sustainability in the area of agriculture, evolve ways to sustainably use and manage forest resources, increase the water reserves, address the issues of food and nutrition security of the family. And it is also proving to be extremely effective, as far as the adaptation and mitigation strategy to address the issues of climate change is concerned.